If you're confused, frustrated, and fed up with all the overhyped promises of how to make money online, you're not alone. Here's something exciting, easy to start, and new that makes perfect sense and makes a positive difference in the world. To grow your income online in today's world, you need three things. First, a replicable marketing system that doesn't require you to reinvent the wheel. Second, a product people actually want, one that you don't have to create yourself. And third, a way to scale globally without complexity and without having to hustle 24/7. It's kind of like owning a franchise. The branding is done, the tools are ready, the system is tested. Your job is simply to plug in, promote, and grow, all while helping people all around the world access skills that can change their lives. Now, there are other ways you could try to do this. You could build everything from scratch. Spend months learning funnel builders. Watch YouTube tutorials on AI content creation. Join affiliate programs that leave you figuring everything out alone, or spend thousands on coaching programs that leave you more confused than when you started. But most of those paths lead to the same place: frustration, burnout, and little to no income, which is exactly why we created the Affiliate AI Business Pack inside the Great Discovery. This is a complete business system you can launch in under an hour. In fact, you're watching part of the funnel right now. When you get started, you'll receive a pre-built marketing funnel just like this one. All you have to do is paste in your affiliate link and you can start growing your online business in minutes. You also get over 50 AI tools to assist you with content creation, lead generation, and sales automation. You're invited to attend daily live training sessions, available in multiple languages, to help you develop, refine, and polish your own marketing campaigns. And you get access to a global marketplace filled with thousands of premium digital courses, products, and services that can be promoted in nearly every major language and every country. This affiliate program also pays out unlike any other. With our unique global revenue sharing model, affiliates can get paid in upwards to 7 different ways. With the Great Discovery, you get paid not only on the purchases of people that directly enroll with your affiliate link, but also from the purchases of the people they refer, and so on throughout the entire world, through virtually endless relationships. It creates a ripple effect where your network keeps expanding and you can continually earn on your extended network sales, even when it spreads into other languages and countries. Here's something else that makes this even better. When you refer just 3 people who purchase the Affiliate AI Business Pack, you get your entire startup fee refunded and your monthly subscription is waived. That means that not only can this entire system be free for you with just 3 paid referrals, but you'll already be making money every month and be qualified for bonuses and revenue sharing. Now, timing here can be very important. You see, when others accept the same free offer that you just accepted to get here, they can automatically be placed in your community. This means that you can be eligible to get paid on the purchases of their extended communities as well, even without any effort on your part. When someone that started before you refers others, the TGD system places them in sequence, one under the other, under the other. So taking action is important because it claims your spot in the system and allows you to start building your team as others join. At this point, you have 2 choices. You can keep trying to piece everything together on your own, spending time, money, and energy hoping something clicks. Or you can plug into a ready-to-use system that's already built, tested, and working for affiliates around the world. If you're ready to simplify your path and start taking action now with a smarter system, your next step is simple. Click the button to join the Affiliate AI Business Pack and get started today.